my dear friends. Today I will talk about my cooling pad. Okay, this is use my laptop to use the cooling pad in the cooling to laptop in the cooling into the laptop. Now I am explain all this and review this my new cooling pad. This is full designed by Visual Innovations. Okay. How we look this cooling pad, guys. This is a cooling pad. This is this fan is airflow. It's a heat airflow going. It's the push in and this natural and cool air into the this laptop is air. And it's into this. Okay, this features. This is the cooling pad. This switches include this. Look. Look, this cooling fan off. Okay, this cooling fan powered to the 12-volt power supply. Okay, this is next features. This cooling fan. This is a 7 USB port. This into this here cooling pad. Look, 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 look. This is a beautiful and futuristic look. This cooling pad. This is simple, and I love this cooling pad. This all the cooling pad is damaged, and this is repair this. Okay. This we will now this cooling pad behind. Okay, look this. This is this cooling pad behind. This is a simple. This is a cable. The wiring is not it's not beautiful. Okay, this two fan. This is a computer CPU fan include this, and this is a small fan. Okay, this I'm by the shop. Okay, it's price is this fan is 500 rupees, and this one fan, this is a CPU fan 1000, and this is 1000 rupees in Sri Lankan price. Okay, this switch I'm this my home switches, home plug, home bulb on off to use this use switch at this work. Okay, this work. That's right. And this power to this power bar. This power to main power this to this power supply, and this battery. Okay, thank you very much my watching video, and next we go video coming at this, and finally this is my studio cooling pad. Thank you for watching my video, and love you there. Okay.